Hey guys, it's time to talk about the latest and greatest Samsung news. So much to talk about. First up is the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Last time we came to know from the CEO himself that the Galaxy Note 10 will be happening, and Samsung is not doing the unification next year, which means there will be separate Note, the Winci. These code names that Samsung chooses for their flagship phone has always some kind of meaning behind it. And in case you don't know, Leonardo da Vinci was famous for his art, including two of the most famous paintings, Mona Lisa and The Last Supper. He was a painter, architect, inventor, and student of all things scientific. You guys getting what Samsung is doing here? Note series is all about drawing and art. The art capabilities of Samsung Note is unmatched. Like, nothing can meet the power and uniqueness of the Note on the market, and it's kind of like the Vinci. You know, it's one of a kind, legendary smartphone. How you see the connection? Note 10 is codenamed the Vinci, meaning Samsung will probably add some more next level features to its S Pen. Obviously, we are so far behind the Galaxy Note 10 release, which is gonna happen next year of August. But from this verse, it could be the Galaxy P1, the first phone of the Galaxy P series. There's also going to be a Galaxy R series as well, Galaxy R and E. These are some of the mid-range upcoming Samsung phones. So P1 could be the first one to have the in-display fingerprint scanner. I'm actually looking forward to it. If something happens, you're definitely going to see a full coverage on the channel. Also, Samsung is trying out some gradient color trend as well that we have seen recently with smartphones like Huawei P20 Pro. And the first gradient color phone from Samsung is going to more proper confirmation that Galaxy Note 10 will indeed be coming next year. Ice Universe tweeted out saying that the Galaxy Note 10 codename is the Vinci. Audio system, controlling the lights, home security, lots of stuff just from a sensor on a ring that can detect all kinds of movements. And gotta say, this is some nice futuristic stuff indeed. Samsung is a big company. I mean, they have TV, fridge, air conditioner, so much stuff that they make. And I mean, if they're gonna build an ecosystem and they can build something futuristic like codenamed the Vinci, we can definitely think something special might happen with the S Pen. The design will obviously be based on the Galaxy S10 family, so S10 is codenamed Beyond, because it's gonna go beyond the Infinity design that we currently have. And speaking of Galaxy S10, we have some amazing news. The Samsung Galaxy S10 will going to be the first Samsung flagship phone to have an in-display fingerprint scanner. It's going to have the very best of what Qualcomm has to offer. We're gonna see the third generation of Qualcomm's in-display fingerprint scanner on that experience as a traditional fast fingerprint scanner we have while being inside the display. It's the first time we're going to see Qualcomm's in-display fingerprint scanner tech on such a famous flagship. They have to deliver the best. Now, Galaxy S10 won't be the first in-display fingerprint scanner phone from Samsung. Yes, Samsung is being genius here, and they first want to try this tech on a mid-range phone, which might get announced next month in China, according to the rumor. Galaxy S10. The second gen and first gen have been used by Chinese phones, and I've tried them out. Yes, they work, but it's not entirely as perfect as a traditional fingerprint scanner. So hopefully Samsung Galaxy S10 will be a Galaxy A9 Star. It's already in China exclusively, and gotta say, this thing looks pretty good. So maybe we might see a gradient color with the Galaxy S10 as well. I mean, why not? It looks so dope. Also, Samsung has been making some patent moves as well. We have a freaking smart ring that allows user to control a ton of stuff from Samsung ecosystem. Things like scrolling through the content of your Samsung TV, a better VR experience, launching application from your mobile phone by just waving the ring, and controlling the playback of your home, a ring to control all the stuff. Then it's actually pretty cool. So yeah, that's all there is on the latest Samsung news. The Galaxy Note 10, so happy that it's happening. It is going to be based on the Galaxy S10 design, and it's codenamed the Vinci. We might see some pretty amazing features with the S Pen. As for the Galaxy S10, we're gonna see the best fingerprint scanner solution from Qualcomm. Good stuff is coming. Let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below, especially what you think about the codename the Vinci for the Note 10, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.